up? It's Kristen. Today I'm going to be doing a Stitchfix unboxing for you. If you don't know about Stitchfix, I have a referral code down below. It'll give you $15 towards your first fix. If you click on that, that would be great. And if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. I do subscription unboxings from Stitchfix, Wantable Trunk Club, etc. Like this top, it is from Mix and Match, and I think it was like $40 some. It's really cute. It's off the shoulder, navy blue. So if you would like to see what I got in my Stitchfix, keep on watching. So within the box, you'll receive your return envelope, baggie to return whatever you don't want. And next, you will get your price sheet right here. I wait till the end to look at the prices. Next, these are extras that you can get. I didn't get any extras in this box this month. Next, it is your style card. And I'm not going to look at the items. I just want to see if I had the same girl, Kimberly. Yes, Kimberly is my stylist. So let's get into it. It looks like there's a bag here. And let's get into the bag and see what's in there. Oh, these are cute. They're little black sandals with some ties. Cute. Franco Sarto. So we'll see. They're really nice. I like the front strap. Maybe she watches my videos and thinks that I wanted black sandals. That's odd. So next here is the bundle. I asked for spring colors, and it looks like there's some yellow in there, some blue to the other side. So let's put this box down, and let's get into it. Okay, so the first item here is, looks like it is that a cold shoulder? No, it's like a tie, maybe a cold shoulder. Yeah, it's a cold shoulder with some cute ties here. I'm probably going to split the screen so you guys can see the try on, but let me read what it is for you. It is a 9 Britain clearance cold shoulder tie detail knit top, white and gray, size extra small. Okay, the next item here is a cute top here. It looks like it is 3/4 length sleeve. It's very soft. Lovapella Macaulay 3/4 sleeve, raglan knit top, size extra small. It's really cute. Next, it looks like just a normal white tee here. Cute, and it's kind of like a longer sleeve. So let's see what that is. Mixed by 41 Hawthorne, Ashbury knit top, white, size extra small. And it looks like she sent me more shorts. The last ones were huge, so they did not fit. So these are the deer, here, let me hold them up for you. Okay. Size 25, I don't think they're gonna fit. Dear John Finnegan cuff short, yellow, in a size 0. So let's get into the prices here. Actually, you know what? I want to read my style card and show you guys the style card and see what she has everything paired with. So here it is. Here is the striped top, the cute shoes, the off the shoulder, the shorts, and the white top. So she says, hello, Kristen, happy 10th fix. I saw your request for spring colors, so I tailored this fix to contain spring colors as well as pieces to transition you effortlessly into the warmer months. Start with the Dear John cuff shirt. Do you like the fit and color? They make a great statement piece for the spring. Pair them with the Mix and Match 41 Hawthorne Essential knit top from Franco the Franco ankle tie sandals, and the denim jacket from your last fix. I love that denim jacket. With the warm summer months approaching, make sure to update your style profile, as I notice you have certain colors and prints to avoid that are perfect for spring. Okay, so I'm going to update my style profile after this. I also included a casual 9 Britain cold shoulder knit top to pair with jeans or leggings. Let me know if there are any kinds of requests for your next fix. Enjoy and stay stylish. Kimberly. Okay, so let's get into prices here. So, okay, the 9 Britain clearance cold shoulder tie shirt, which is this one. Let me get it for you. This top here, $36. The sandals, $79. Ugh, that's really pricey for me. Oh, yes. And then the Mix by 41 Hawthorne white. Let's see here. So I'm thinking that's this top. This top here, the plain white top, is $28. The lapella 3/4 length sleeve, light blue, this top is $48. And the shorts, the yellow shorts, I'm going to have to update my sizes because I don't think these are going to fit. These are $58. So, totals $249, $62.25 with the 25% discount if I buy all 5. And my $20 styling fee off, it comes to $166.75, which isn't that bad. But, yeah. So, I'll let you know down below what I am going to keep. And, please like and subscribe. New subscribers, thank you so much for watching if you're new to my channel. Thank you. Bye.